guys! Welcome to another Wife Diary episode. Literal na Wife Diary kasi puro sinampay sa likod. I've just finished walking the dogs and ngayon naman ay nag-ayos ako ng pagkain nila. So, yun ba, napakaraming beses ko nang nabilhan ng mga food bowl sila Mojo. Pero, laging walang tumatagal sa kanila kasi either ginangat-ngat nila or pinaglalaroan nila. During all those times na nagko-collect kami ng mga kainan, merong 3 na natira na matibay. And napansin ko lahat ng mga tumagal ay yung mga steel food bowls. So, ayan talaga, proven and tested, yung mga steel pet bowls na talaga yung tumatagal. Right now, kakabili ko lang ulit ng 3 kilo ng dog food. For reference, mayroon akong 3 aso. Sa isang araw ay ang nauubos nila ay 1.5 kilo ng dog food. Tapos nilalagyan ko lang ng mga toppings kasi si Neji ayaw niyang kumain ng dog food lang na walang halo. Pero yung 2 golden naman, kumakain naman sila basta may halong tubig. Ayan, so nilalagyan ko na ng konting toppings na corned beef. Sometimes fish, sometimes chicken, pero ngayon ay corned beef. Konti lang kasi ayoko silang binibigyan ng masyadong maraming salt. Tapos lalagyan ko siya ng tubig. Hi guys! It's me, Mojo! Gusto kasi nila yung parang nasisip-sip ng dog food yung lasa ng topping. So, nilalagyan ko ng tubig. Pag hindi ko ginawa yun, hindi nila sinasaid yung food. Laging may natitira. So, this is what it looks like. Also, just a reminder to always wash your pet's food bowl. Siyempre, prone din naman sila sa sakit. Kung tayo hinuhugasan natin yung pinggan natin every time na ginagamit natin, hugasan din natin yun sa kanila. Chickens. 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 Tama si Mojo, hindi yan nakikipag-shake hands kasi nakaupo lang siya. Hanggang sasabihin ko yung word na G-O. Pag sinabi ko yung word na G-O, tatakbo na siya sa pagkain niya. Pero he doesn't want to work for it. Go! Oh. Ay, nako ka, Mojo. G2. Sit, Nedge. Good boy. Spin. Good boy. Sit. Good job. Chickens. Good boy. Oh my goodness. You love corned beef, huh? I think I'm in the season of my life ngayon na parang I want to enjoy life as much as I can. And like any other people, napakadami responsibility and napakaraming things na kailangan gawin. Like in my case, kailangan namin maging organized ni Alot pareho. Like kailangan namin maging malinis sa house, mag-allot din ng time for my family. Back in Lipa, gusto ko din gumawa ng mga hobbies ko. Like gusto ko ulit mag-soccer. Hindi pa ako ulit nakakapag-soccer kasi wala akong time. Gusto kong gawa ng time yung mga bagay na important sa akin before ko siya pagsisihan pag medyo tumanda na ako, pag hindi ko na siya kayang gawin. Gusto ko din mag-play ng mga music like before. I also have full-time job. Compared sa iba, I'm still very grateful kasi I still have this time freedom where I can still do things that other people can't. But I think I'm in that season where I want to do more and I want to experience life more. If you're also in the same season, one thing that I've realized is to just enjoy every moment kasi you're not going to be in that same exact spot again. Kahapon, nasa motor kami ni Alot and nakaangkas ako. Habang nakatingin ako sa paligid, nagkaroon ako ng second to breathe and nagkaroon na ako ng moment to appreciate everything that we have. Pinakamahalaga dun is yung lasapin at enjoying mo every moment ng iyong mga experiences kasi you're never going to go back. Ayoko din naman dumating sa time na I will regret na hindi ko in-enjoy yung life ko. I think it's good to work hard to do all the things that you need to do. But at the same time, always remember to enjoy your life. Just make the most out of it. Think of the things that actually matter. Think of the things that you will actually remember when you are older. I'm going to work. Later at lunch, I will pick up my mom. We're going to Landers. We're going to get her a little bit of groceries and we're going to have lunch together. So, hope you have a good Friday and I'll see you later.